700 million people use ChatGPT, but only 1% know these 9 prompts. These 9 ChatGPT-5 prompts have personally saved me 3 hours every single day. But what's truly amazing is that everyone who uses them gets the exact same results. Imagine finishing your daily tasks by noon instead of working until midnight. What if I told you that the difference between overwhelmed professionals and productivity masters isn't talent or experience, it's knowing the right prompts? Welcome back to AI Handbook channel, where I expose the revolutionary changes happening in artificial intelligence every single day. By the end of this video, you will discover the 9 game-changing ChatGPT-5 prompts that are transforming how smart professionals work, and why GPT-5's new unified architecture makes these prompts more powerful than ever before. Plus, I'll show you exactly how to use each one to reclaim hours of your life. Before we dive into these life-changing prompts, you need to understand why they work so differently with ChatGPT-5 compared to older versions. GPT-5 isn't just another AI update, it's a complete paradigm shift. Released in August 2025, it unified all of OpenAI's previous models into one incredibly intelligent system. Where you used to switch between different models for different tasks, GPT-5 automatically chooses the best approach for your specific request. Here's what makes these prompts so powerful now. GPT-5 reduces hallucinations by 45% compared to GPT-4o, and when using its thinking mode, errors drop by a staggering 80%. This means the prompts I'm about to share will give you reliable, actionable results every single time. But there's something even more impressive. GPT-5's new unified architecture means it can handle complex, multi-step workflows that would have broken earlier models. It understands context better, follows instructions more precisely, and delivers outputs that actually match what you need. The result? These 9 prompts that used to be helpful tricks are now legitimate business game changers. The first prompt alone will revolutionize how you handle information overload. But before I reveal these productivity secrets, hit that notification bell and share this video with someone who needs to work smarter, not harder. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, make sure to subscribe, because what I'm about to show you will change how you work forever.
Let's start with the 2 prompts that solve the biggest productivity killers: information overload and task chaos. Prompt number 1, the deadline destroyer. Summarize this for me like I'm on a deadline. This simple phrase transforms ChatGPT-5 into your personal information filter. Whether you're dealing with long emails, research papers, meeting transcripts, or industry reports, this prompt cuts straight to what matters. Here's why it works so well with GPT-5. The model now understands urgency context and automatically prioritizes the most actionable information. Instead of getting a generic summary, you get exactly what someone under time pressure needs to know. I use this constantly. Last week, I had a 50-page market analysis report to review before a client call. Instead of spending 2 hours reading, I pasted it into ChatGPT-5 with this prompt. In 30 seconds, I had the key insights, action items, and critical data points I needed. The meeting went perfectly. Prompt number 2, the task prioritizer. Convert the following notes into a prioritized to-do list using labels like urgent, important, or low priority. This is where GPT-5's enhanced reasoning really shines. You can literally dump all your thoughts, tasks, and random ideas into ChatGPT-5, and it will organize them into a clear, actionable hierarchy. The magic happens because GPT-5 can now understand relationships between tasks, estimate time requirements, and identify dependencies. It's like having a personal productivity consultant who never gets tired. Try this. Next time you feel overwhelmed, spend 2 minutes brain dumping everything you need to do into ChatGPT-5 with this prompt. You'll be shocked at how much clearer your priorities become. But these are just the beginning. The next prompt will transform your communication game. The next 3 prompts solve the communication bottleneck that kills productivity for millions of professionals. Prompt number 3, the 60-second email writer. Draft this email in 60 seconds or less. Email is the productivity black hole for most professionals. The average person spends 2.6 hours daily on email. With GPT-5's improved writing capabilities, you can cut that time by 70%. But here's the key. GPT-5 now maintains your personal writing style while ensuring clarity and professionalism. It doesn't just generate generic responses. It creates emails that sound like you wrote them, just better. I tested this last month. My inbox had 47 emails requiring responses. Using this prompt, I handled all of them in 23 minutes. Not only were the responses appropriate and personalized, but 3 people commented on how well written my emails were that day. Prompt number 4, the meeting detective. Find the hidden action items in this meeting transcript. This prompt is a career game changer. We've all zoned out in meetings or tried to multitask during presentations. With GPT-5's enhanced comprehension, you'll never miss critical information again. Upload your meeting recordings or paste transcripts, and GPT-5 will extract every action item, deadline, and important decision. It even identifies who's responsible for what, even when it wasn't explicitly stated. Prompt number 5, the focus rescuer. I've been doom scrolling and need to refocus. Give me a 2-minute breathing prompt and 1 easy task to get back on track. This might seem simple, but it's incredibly powerful for context switching. GPT-5's understanding of human psychology allows it to provide personalized refocusing strategies. The prompt combines mindfulness with action, breaking the procrastination cycle that derails productivity. It's like having a productivity coach on demand. These communication accelerators are powerful, but the next set of prompts will completely transform how you approach complex projects.
Now we're getting to the prompts that separate amateurs from professionals, the ones that tackle complex, multi-step challenges. Prompt number 6, the process simplifier. Write a checklist for this process. This prompt leverages GPT-5's improved analytical capabilities to break down any complex task into manageable steps. Whether you're launching a product, planning an event, or implementing a new system, this prompt creates your roadmap. What makes this special with GPT-5 is its ability to anticipate potential problems and include contingency steps. It doesn't just tell you what to do, it helps you prepare for what could go wrong. Prompt number 7, the Pomodoro Optimizer. Give me a 25-minute Pomodoro task and a break reward. This combines productivity science with motivation psychology. GPT-5 can analyze your workload and suggest the perfect 25-minute task that maximizes progress while maintaining momentum. The genius is in the reward system. GPT-5 suggests break activities that actually recharge you based on the type of work you've been doing. Mental fatigue gets physical breaks. Creative blocks get inspiration activities. Prompt number 8, the digital declutterer. List the top 5 things I can delete, unsubscribe from, or automate today to reduce digital clutter. Digital clutter is productivity poison. GPT-5's reasoning capabilities allow it to identify the biggest time wasters in your digital life and provide specific actions to eliminate them. This isn't just about organizing files. It's about optimizing your entire digital environment for focus and efficiency. The prompt considers your work patterns, identifies redundancies, and suggests automation opportunities you probably never considered. But there's one final prompt that ties everything together and could be the most powerful of all.
Prompt number 9, the Productivity AI Coach. Act as my weekly planning coach. Ask me 5 questions to clarify my priorities, deadlines, and energy for the week. Then create a simple 3-part plan based on my answers.
This is the meta prompt that makes all the others work better. Instead of you having to think about which prompt to use when, GPT-5 becomes your productivity consultant, asking the right questions to understand your specific situation. What makes this revolutionary with GPT-5 is its ability to have genuine consultative conversations. It doesn't just ask generic questions, it adapts its inquiry based on your responses, digging deeper where needed and providing personalized strategies. I use this every Monday morning. In less than 10 minutes, I have a clear plan for the week that accounts for my energy levels, competing priorities, and realistic deadlines. It's like having a personal productivity consultant who knows exactly how you work. The key to all these prompts working is consistency. These aren't magic tricks. They're systematic approaches to common productivity challenges. GPT-5's enhanced capabilities mean they now work reliably every single time. But here's what most people miss. The real power comes from combining these prompts. Start your week with the coaching prompt, use the deadline destroyer for information intake, the task prioritizer for daily planning, and the communication accelerators throughout your day. The result? You'll join the 1% who truly leverage AI for productivity instead of just playing with it.
These 9 prompts represent more than just productivity hacks. They're a blueprint for working in the age of AI. As GPT-5 continues to evolve and integrate with more tools and platforms, mastering these foundational prompts will only become more valuable. The professionals who learn to work with AI rather than being replaced by AI will dominate their industries. These prompts are your competitive advantage. Which prompt are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below and share your results. I read every single one. If this video saved you time and taught you something valuable, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI productivity strategies. And check out my other videos on GPT-5's hidden features and advanced AI automation techniques. Remember, 700 million people use ChatGPT, but now you're part of the 1% who knows how to truly leverage its power. Use that advantage wisely. Until next time, work smarter, not harder, and let AI handle the rest.